deposit or withdraw funds on Gate.io exchange, follow these steps. Log into Gate.io. Visit Gate.io and log into your account. Navigate to deposit. On the homepage, click on the wallet icon at the top, then select deposit from the drop-down menu. Choose the cryptocurrency. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Get deposit address. A unique deposit address will be provided for the selected crypto. Transfer funds. Copy the address or scan the QR code and use an external wallet or exchange to send the funds to Gate.io. Navigate to withdraw. From the wallet section, click on withdraw. Select cryptocurrency. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Enter withdrawal information. Enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount to withdraw. Confirm the transaction. Review the details and confirm the withdrawal. For additional security, you may need to enter a 2FA code. Transaction fees. Be aware of withdrawal fees, which are displayed before confirming.